Hey everyone, Kim Moore coming to you here. I am going to show you how to scan your skin. Go to your app store and download this little app here on the bottom left, the Mary Kay Skin Analyzer. Totally free, and wait till you see how this uses high-tech infrared technology to give you the best skin regimen possible. So you're going to click on, you're going to open it up. You want to run this on a clean face. I have my glasses off, I have no makeup on, and I want to keep my face neutral. So I'm going to kind of talk through this, but when you do yours, you're going to not talk. You're going to not smile either. Kind of keep a neutral expression. But I'm going to hit let's begin. And my skin is combination. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I am standing in my dining room. I'm going to flip my camera around. And I'm going to line up my face. And I'm going to bring it in to my skin. Just that simple, okay? So hold it the whole way out, slowly bring it in. Again, it's easier when you don't talk. It's gonna analyze using high-tech infrared technology to scan your skin. And look what comes up. Okay, so it's gonna rank your skin on uneven skin tone texture, your eye area, and wrinkles. And we wanna be as close to the green as possible. And guys, I'll take this. For being 40, these are not bad results. But look, you can click on each one and it's gonna show you where we have uneven skin tone. That's something I totally struggle with. One thing Mary Kay has helped with a lot. A detailed summary here on texture, on your eyes. Is that so cool? Well, no joke. That's being mom, right? And then wrinkles. Oh, so cool. So this is actually damage for wrinkles, and that you could help, reverse this. How do you reverse it? Well, click on your regimen, and right here, guys, it's actually going to give you all the products that fix all of these things, okay? Don't be overwhelmed. Save this list, guys. This is your gold mine list. In fact, you're going to want to come over here and click on that little button on the far right to share your results with your Mary Kay Beauty consultant. And so you could email, you could text, but listen, message your consultant right now. Let her know that you are doing this, or if you're not sure who the consultant is, message your hostess and she will get you the info because you're going to want to save this list because a lot of this stuff we'll be talking about at the party. One last thing, I want to go back to your skin summary. You may want to save this, like take a screenshot, like I just took a picture right there, because once I log out of this app, it does not save this information for me again. I'm gonna have to do it again. Okay, so you may want to screenshot some of this stuff. Here's one more thing I'm gonna show you really cool. Let's say uneven skin tone is my focus, right? I could click up here for analysis, and it's gonna give me some great facts. Did you know that dark spots and skin discoloration are often caused by sun exposure and acne blemishes? That is the story of my whole childhood, those two things. Okay, and then on the entire list, it shows you the top 3 products that will fix just this one area. So if you want to focus on one area at a time, you can. It even gets more in detail. Look at this, seeing your skin. The app assessed the size, intensity, number of dark spots, as well as the areas of redness. This assessment can provide insight into your skin's level of dullness or radiance. Isn't that so cool? Honestly, guys, I could click right here and automatically add it into my shopping cart, and I could just order it with my MK Girl too. So cool. So make sure you go in here, check each area out, click for more for analysis, get more information, and screenshot the things that are important so you have it saved. Although, guys, I gotta be honest, you can come back in and you can do this scan as much as you want for free, but it is nice to have your results saved. And don't forget, go to your regiment and share this with your MK Girl. Now do yourself a favor. Take a screenshot and post this on our party so you get double the credit for our prize giveaways.